science.
Okay, so this is a video demonstrating the law of conservation of matter. We have a scale, we have a bowl, and we have some ice. Right now the ice is in its solid form. So we're going to put the bowl on top of the scale. And then we are going to take the weight of the bowl, which is 1.2 ounces, and zero it out. So we're going to push the 0 button on the end of the scale. Now the bowl is calculated into the weight of the scale. We're going to take the ice, the solid form of water, and put it into the bowl and weigh. And we know that the ice weighs 1.4 ounces. And now we are going to take the bowl and put the bowl in the microwave.
And we're going to turn
for 30 seconds and turn the solid water into liquid water. And we're going to take the bowl back to the scale and weigh it again to see if the liquid water weighs just as much as the solid water. 1.4 ounces, and it looks like we still have some cubes in there. And if we let that completely melt, we will still have 1.4 ounces of water, whether it is in its solid form or in its liquid form. That is the law of conservation of matter. Matter cannot be created or destroyed. It only changes forms. Okay, here's another example of the law of conservation of matter. The sum of the parts equals the whole. So we're going to weigh each of the individual Duplo dump truck pieces, add them together, and that should give us the sum of what the Duplo dump truck would weigh all together. So we're going to weigh the wheelbase first. The wheelbase weighs 2.4 ounces. Then we're going to take the wheelbase off and put the dump part of it. The dump part weighs 1 ounce. And then we are going to weigh the truck part of it. The truck part weighs 2.4 ounces.
So altogether, the truck should weigh
5.8 ounces. So go ahead, Nate, put the whole truck together. And let's weigh the Duplo dump truck. And all together, something happened. 6.1. Where did the matter come from?
Yeah, we're getting all different numbers here. Wow. 7 plus 9 is 16, plus 6 is 22.
All right, 6.2. Let's put it all together again. .3 is pretty close.
6.2.
Oh, it is 6.2. The scale adjusted. All right, so something happened our first try, and we got totally different numbers our second try. Okay, so in a real science experiment, we would do this multiple times, get multiple figures, and probably average them all together. All right, so matter cannot be created or destroyed. The sum of the individual parts is equal to the sum of the whole.